Step into the epitome of luxury student living at Highbury Residence, a premium student accommodation in the heart of London. Nestled on the Holloway Road, Highbury Residence offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience with its studio and ensuite apartments. Each room features a range of contemporary amenities and thoughtfully designed private bedrooms with a compact double bed, dedicated study desk, shelves, a spacious wardrobe, and private bathroom. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a fully equipped kitchen, complete with modern appliances, a 4-ring hob, oven, microwave, fridge, and more. On weekends, engage in lively banter within the vibrant social space, keep those academic muscles in shape at the on-site gym, or immerse yourself in the cinematic experience at the in-house cinema space. The choice is yours. Mailboxes, games area, cozy TV room. Consider them your second home essentials. Bills? All inclusive, so no worries there. Situated in close proximity to London Metropolitan University and Université Paris Dauphine, Highbury Residence adds convenience to your academic journey. After classes, unwind with friends at Islington Sports Bar and Grill or the Hercules Holloway. For dining options, Oway Compton and grocery shopping at Waitrose and Partners Holloway Road are easily accessible. Additionally, the accommodation's outstanding travel accessibility, with nearby bus stops and metro stations like Caledonian Road Subway Station and Liverpool Street Station, ensures seamless travel across the city. Immerse yourself in the perfect blend of academic excellence and vibrant city life at Highbury Residence. Visit amberstudent.com to book your stay today.